Now the first thing I got to figure out is how to pull this off. Now, not all trim pieces are created equal, and I had to look at this a little bit because usually they pop up, or there's a plastic trim that pops here and then comes down at the bottom, so you have to take the bottom off, then the top. Well, this just unsnaps, and there's a goodie on the back side that's clipped onto there. So see, now I can get to that pin, this little rod, neck, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and I'll have to find a drill bit. Let's see here. See, there it is, right there. It's kind of in the light, isn't it? Maybe we can twist this just a little bit. See, it still works. Boy, I can tell it hasn't been working for a while because it feels kind of hard, but I think we'll still be able to get it, you know. See that? That right there is what I'm going to have to drill a hole in. And it's not coming out very well there, is it? Oh, I see it. I see it. I think I was hitting something. That right there. I've got to drill a hole in that with a little drill bit. So that's my next step. Now, I don't think this is the right size, but it's really pretty small, and that'll help me be able to get it up there and drill a hole. And then if I have to go a little bit bigger, I can take a bigger drill bit and go through it. Okay. I'm just gonna look at this and pick a point here and drill through it about 1/8 of an inch or so above the bottom. I gotta make sure not to drill my finger, huh? Boy, come on. There it goes. It's twisting on me. Boy, it's not going to go through or what? That silly little 12-volt handheld drill. I don't like that, but that's all I have. I'm going to hang on to this, I guess. That did it. Now I can look at my little loop-de-loop and see if it's going to fit up in there. Where'd it go?